Hey guys, so today's Friday Tech Tip is going to show you how to create a brand new Google Doc or Slides or sheet or form straight from your address bar without even going into your Google Drive. So typically when I create these things, because this is a brand new tip for me as well, I would go into my Google Drive and then even into a specific folder where I want to create that form or document, and I would click the New button. And then I would click on one of these, whichever one I wanted to create. This new way is much easier. You're going to open a brand new tab, and then you're going to type whatever application you want to open, .new. So maybe I want to create a brand new Google Doc. I'm going to type doc.new, hit enter, and I get a new document. Let's say I want a new Google form. I'm going to type form.new, hit enter, and I get my new Google form. Same thing with sheets. Sheet.new, hit enter, new Google Sheets. And finally, slide.new gives you a new slideshow presentation. Now, to see where this file is actually located on your Google Drive, you first have to name it. So you're going to come over here and name it whatever you want, click out of it, and now it's saved to your drive. To see where that file is, you're going to click on this file folder with the arrow, and it will show you where it is. This file is just created in my general drive folder. If I want to move it to a specific folder, I'm going to go to one of the folders I have down here, and I'm going to click the arrow, and it will take me to whatever folder I want it to. Maybe I just want to save it in my general classes folder. I would click this blue button down here and move it here. If I want to create a new folder within my classes folder, I would click this button right here to create a new folder and save this slideshow in that new folder. I know that was very short and fast, but hopefully this is a new tool that will save you some time and you found it useful.